Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of hand washing piles of dishes every day, dealing with a tiny sink that's always full, or wishing you had a dishwasher but don't have space for a big built-in model, then this review is going to make your kitchen life so much easier. Today we're reviewing the AIRMSEN Large Slim Countertop Dishwasher. This sleek, space-saving machine holds up to 8 place settings or over 60 pieces, needs no plumbing hookup, and delivers powerful cleaning with multiple cycles in a slim design that fits most counters. It's perfect for apartments, RVs, small homes, or anyone who hates doing dishes. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best large, slim countertop dishwashers you can buy right now. Most importantly, click that referral link in the video description to grab yours and help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's break down the features. The AIRMSEN Large Slim Countertop Dishwasher has a spacious interior that fits 8 place settings, including plates, bowls, glasses, utensils, and even some pots. It offers multiple wash programs, including a fast cycle, normal, intensive for greasy dishes, glass, and fruit washing mode. It uses powerful spray arms for thorough cleaning from multiple angles and has a built-in water tank so you don't need a permanent hookup. Just fill it up or connect to your faucet if you prefer. It uses only about 6 to 8 litres of water per cycle, saving a lot compared to hand washing. The machine includes heated drying, a large water tank, removable filter, LED display, child lock, and delay start up to 12 hours. The slim design is only about 17 inches wide, so it fits nicely on smaller counters while still giving you real dishwasher capacity. Setup is super easy. Plug it in, add water and detergent, load your dishes, choose a program, and press start. No plumber or permanent installation required. In real-world use, this dishwasher performs surprisingly well for its size. It cleans everyday dishes, glasses, and light pots effectively, especially on the intensive or normal cycle. The spray arms reach most items well, and the heated drying leaves dishes mostly dry with fewer water spots when you use rinse aid. Reviewers with apartments or small kitchens love how it saves hours of hand washing and how the slim design doesn't take over the counter. The fast cycle is great for quick turnarounds, and the quiet operation means you can run it while working or relaxing. For couples, singles, or small families, it's a real game changer because you finally get clean dishes without the sink pile up. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are strong. Large capacity for a countertop model with 8 place settings, no installation required, slim design that fits small spaces, multiple wash programs including a fast cycle, heated drying, water savings compared to hand washing, easy controls, and excellent value for the size and features. Many users say it cuts their dish time dramatically and makes daily life much easier. On the con side, the capacity is still limited compared to full-size dishwashers. So larger families may need to run it more often, you have to refill the water tank for fully portable use, drying isn't 100% perfect on every load, so some light towel drying may be needed, and the machine can be a bit louder than premium built-in models during the wash. These are typical for countertop dishwashers, and the pros far outweigh them for most small households. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Pick up the AIRMSEN Large Slim Countertop Dishwasher if you live in an apartment, RV, or small home and want real dishwasher convenience without taking up much space. It's fantastic for busy singles, couples, or small families who hate hand washing. If these honest kitchen appliance reviews are helping you find smarter ways to save time, hit subscribe for more. And click the affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel running strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this convinced you to make dishwashing easier, give it a like, share with a friend who needs this, or subscribe. See you next time.